Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT WebCast. In this video, we will create a new Ubuntu virtual machine on Windows 11 using Hyper-V Quick Create. Hyper-V Quick Create is a feature in Hyper-V that simplifies the process of creating a new virtual machine. It allows us to quickly create a VM with minimal configuration, offering pre-configured templates for various operating systems, including both Linux distributions and Windows versions. This option is designed for users who want to quickly set up a VM without diving deep into manual configuration details. It's ideal for quickly testing or running specific operating systems without having to manually select all the installation options. In the last video, we learned the different methods to enable Hyper-V in Windows 11. The link to that video is provided in the description. For this demo, we are using the same Windows 11 machine with Hyper-V already enabled. Our goal is to create a new VM in Windows 11 Hyper-V and install Ubuntu as the guest OS. Click on Start button and search for Quick. Click on Hyper-V Quick Create. Click on Yes. We have two options to choose from. We can either select an OS from the list on the left or install a guest OS from an ISO image or VHD file by clicking Local Installation Source. By default, Microsoft provides links to various predefined runtime environments, including evaluation version of Windows 11 for developers, as well as 3 different LTS branches for Ubuntu Linux. Select the OS you want to install. For this example, we will select Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. This downloads an around 2.31 GB Ubuntu image file. Select Ubuntu 22.04 LTS and click Create Virtual Machine. The download process has started. The download of the 2.31 GB Ubuntu image file will take some time depending on your internet speed. Let's wait for the download process to complete. The next step is to verify the downloaded image file. Once the verification process is complete, the final step is to create a virtual machine. However, before that, it will begin extracting the disk file from the image archive. The Ubuntu virtual machine has been successfully created. Click on Edit Settings if you want to edit the VM settings before starting the virtual machine. Click on Edit Settings. Modify the VM settings as required, then click OK to save the changes and close the VM Properties window. Click on Connect. Click on Start button to power on the VM. Wait for the Ubuntu installer's graphical user interface to launch. On the welcome screen, select your desired language, then click on Continue. Select your keyboard layout, for example, English US, and click Continue. Select your geographical location and time zone. Provide a name and set the computer's host name. Choose a username and set a password for the user account. Click Continue to start the installation process. This will take some time to complete the installation of Ubuntu in Hyper-V Virtual Machine. Wait until the installation process is complete. The installation has been successfully completed. It took about 4 minutes to complete the Ubuntu installation in the Hyper-V Virtual Machine. The VM will restart automatically. After the restart, you'll see the login screen. Type the username and password we created earlier, then click OK to log in to the Ubuntu VM. At this point, we have successfully installed Ubuntu 22.04 on a Hyper-V Virtual Machine. This is how we can create an Ubuntu virtual machine in Windows 11 using the Hyper-V Quick Create method and install the Ubuntu Guest OS on it. You can also use Hyper-V Manager to create and manage virtual machines in Windows 11 just like we do in Windows Server. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Hyper-V and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.